Learn English. Enjoy English. With our videos, ForB English.
Hello everyone and welcome back to ForB's English lesson video. My name is Richard and today I'm going to say a sentence and I'd like you to find the mistake. Are you ready? All the employees attended to the workshop yesterday. All the employees attended to the workshop yesterday. Did you catch that? Alright, let's try that again, but this time a little bit slower. All the employees attended to the workshop yesterday. All the employees attended to the workshop yesterday. Did you catch it? Alright, let's try that again, but this time I'll show you the sentence. Are you ready? All the employees attended to the workshop yesterday. Did you find the mistake? Alright, the mistake is to, so we don't need to with the word attend. If you use go, you must use to. Go to the workshop. But when you use attend, you don't need to. Attend the workshop. It depends on the verb. Alright? Alright, so the correct way is all the employees attended the workshop yesterday. Alright? So let's practice this together. Please repeat after me. All the employees attended the workshop yesterday. Great. Let's try that one more time. All the employees attended the workshop yesterday. Great. So now you know how to use the word attend in a sentence. My name is Richard. Remember to please click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.